Crude oil, the beauty here has hit $63 levels. Remember, I have shared this, I have updated you this in my weekly review, in my daily reviews, and in today with the Asia and Europe session review as well. That once oil trades now beyond 61.2, you can expect 62, 63.6. Right now it is trading at 63.1, while natural gas has moved towards $4 levels and now trying to erase some of the gains. Yes, it has hit $4 levels here. What to expect now from oil and gas from here? Are we looking forward to a move towards $65 levels in crude oil today? Can it head towards 70 soon? Or the highs are done and the bears should be taking over from here? And what about natural gas? Are the highs done? $4 levels? Is it going to breach or not? Let's have a look with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical level. The subscribe, press the bell icon. See, this is the only channel which teaches you, which shows you why a particular trade at a particular price point can be taken and what should be the resistances. And it gives you logical reasoning and well, and that too we share it twice a day. And thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation. Do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. You can also appreciate the effort by sharing a super thanks. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the see oil on the hourly charts. Certainly, I have mentioned here it has taken the support from the 20 period, and once oil breaches 61.2. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned here that once it breaches 61.2, stay bullish. 62 first, 63 and 63.6 the second, and then you can in fact expect 65 levels. Right now it is looking upwards and it is certainly showing a bullish intent. You can buy here at 63.3 levels, expect 63.6, which should be the first milestone. 64.2 and now 65, the third milestone, which it would like to achieve very soon, if not today. Moving averages have started to diverge, good sign for the bulls. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI is extremely overbought, and this is a slight uh, caution point for me because it has come towards an extremely overbought, uh, which definitely is going to create a hurdle or offer a little resistance for oil on the upside where it could try to show a pullback. Now look at the 2 hour charts. On the 2 hour charts, first, this is the zone from where we have seen this dip. Prices have come towards the same zone. And that is why I say it is going to see a greater resistance at around 63.3, 63.6 zone. And you have to be also careful at around the same levels here. Notice the movement is also completely outside Bollinger Bands, and hence it can show you a pullback or it might show you a little swing before taking a direction. But remember, when it was bearish, it has stayed bearish for weeks and days, and now it is trying to reverse, and hence it could try to stay bullish here. And thus I will say till 61 levels you should buy the dip. Look at the moving averages crossed over here, trading with divergence and bullish. The stochastic here is overbought, the MACD here is divergent and bullish, the RSI is also overbought, and hence I will say now 63, 63, 63.3, 63.6 is going to be a trouble zone for crude oil here. A possibility of a slight retracement from these levels exists strong. Though you can clearly see it is trading bullish, it is delivering higher highs here, higher lows, where it is trying to move towards. It is trying to move towards 64, 64.2. That should be the first resistance zone, and then in fact 64.8, 65 should be seen here. The moving average is crossed over, trading with divergence, good sign for the bulls. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are rising and all are trading slightly overbought here. This is a caution point for us. Notice the sharper it rises, the sharper could be the drop, or at least the swing has to be there, if not a reversal. And see, one thing is clear, I do not expect it to break below 61, 61.2 at any point of time today, at least. The crossover in the moving average is definitely is a good sign. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned for the week till towards 57.8, 58, we should not be treating oil as bearish. This is pretty clear. Until then, it should be buy the dip. Now, see, I have shared this as well. I will show you on the daily charts as well. See, let's move and close this 4 hour charts update. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely bullish, RSI overbought. Things are getting overbought here for oil. Now look at the daily charts. This is what I have mentioned. This is what I have shared in my daily and weekly reviews. See this, divide this into two, double bottom here. With double bottom, what it should try to do, it should try to move towards this zone. Now the highs for this zone here is close to 65. So this should be the first hurdle which all would like to break. And what will happen then? It will try to move like this all the way towards $70 levels, possibly in the near future, if not today. And hence first 61, 61.2 should be a support, then 59, 60 should be a very good support, then 59.3, 59.2 should be the next support, and then 57.8, 58. So these are critical support levels for oil on the downside, if at all it starts to move downwards. Now we have seen the charts and indicators, and time for me to give you the levels here. Let's also have a look at the indicators on the daily charts. Extremely overbought is stochastic, while the MACD, look at MACD forming double bottom, trading with divergence. Indeed, it is a very good sign for the forthcoming bulls here. The RSI is rising, which is again a good sign for the bulls. So now, time for me to give you the levels. But see how easily we have analyzed, how easily you have understood why a particular level should be there, why oil prices are trying to trade bullish today. I am just ignorant of the news, but yes, we have mentioned this in our weekly review as well, that oil is going to fly high. And this is what the beauty of technical analysis is. And now that is why I say you should also try to invest in learning first before jumping into the markets. And you can join the 33rd mentorship batch, which is scheduled for the first week of June. Reserve your seats now. We only have limited seats to offer. Connect with me over Telegram or email for queries related to the mentorship batch. And yes, you can, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker, see, it is very important to have a broker which is trustworthy, safe, with global presence, which offers you easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, let's talk about the levels to buy here. I will only recommend you to buy if you now see oil breaking beyond 63.3. That is, the lower price has to be above 63.3. You can buy here. Expect 63.6. Now, 63.6 is going to be a very good resistance here. Beyond 63.6, we are looking forward to 61, 64.1, 64.2 as the next target zone. And if that is taken, then 64.8, 65. Three key levels here for oil to break beyond. If it stays above 65, remember, we are looking forward to a rally here in oil prices. Beyond 65, we are waiting for 68 and $70 zone very soon, if not today. Not necessary that the targets are going to happen today, but yes, it has taken a direction, and it should stick to that. On the downside now, the selling entry, yes, it could show you swings. As I'm saying, on the smaller time frames, things are getting overbought, and hence you can enjoy little swings here. You can sell here at 62.8 levels, and if it trades below 62.8, expect 62.4, 62. And once it trades below 62, the most important support zone here should be at 61.5 and then 61, 61.2. These are the key levels. I do not expect oil to break below 61, 61.2 at least today. Yes, very much. I'm very much, you can say, convinced that it is not going to break below 61, 61.2. But yes, these are markets. My conviction does not help. And if it does break below this, stay short for 60 and then 59.2, 59.3. Chances for which appears negligible. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Now, let's have a look at natural gas. See what natural gas did today. It has moved towards the $4 levels, and now it is coming back to the support zone here. Now it is very important for gas to trade below 3.88. Earlier in the day also I have mentioned it is very critical for gas to trade below 3.88. If at all there are bears out here, if at all the signs are bearish, it has to trade below 3.88. Also notice it has breached this critical resistance at 3.9495, and that was the buying point. It has moved close to $4 levels and now trying to erase some of the gains. Now if you see it is staying below 3.88, then you can stay short. Expect 3.8485 levels as the next targets. Stochastic looking downwards here. The MACD crossed over here, trading with moderate bearishness. The RSI has dropped sharp vertically. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. See, it has breached past the resistances. It has now come back to the support. Now it is very crucial for gas to trade below 3.88, and once it trades below 3.88, expect 3.848. 86 at the first target zone. Very crucial support available towards 3.8486 and then towards 3.8. That is the next target which it would like to breach. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is trying to cross over for sell. The RSI is looking vertically down. That is a slight bearish sign. On the 3 hour charts also similar observation. See, it has moved towards the resistance now, trying to reverse. Once it trades below 3.88, possibility exists that it is going to erase the gains from this candle. That is, a move towards 3.8 could be there, but I will say 3.8, 3.76 zone. As long as natural gas do not breach, do not treat this as bearish. Now notice drop retracement. Now After the sharp drop, it is retraced, and now once it trades below 3.76, that is the point of time you can confirm the reversal in natural gas here. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is trying to converge crossover for sell. The RSI is looking downwards, which is a slight bearish sign. On the 4-hour chart, we have similar observation here, and that is why I say at least till towards 3.76, 3.8. Do not treat this as bearish, but once it trades below 3.76, 3.8, it is going to crash heavy towards 3.7 and in fact 3.6 levels. Notice the drop here, the retracement, and now once it drops below this zone, it is going to invite more bears out here. Stochastic looking down, MACD trying to cross over for sell, the RSI looking downwards here. Coming to daily charts now. On the daily charts, notice a step is created, higher highs are done, and now once this trades below 3.88, you can expect the next target to be towards 3.8485, 3.8, and then 3.76. If 3.76 is taken, stay short for 3.7 and in fact 3.6 levels. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. But what we are looking forward to in gas, it was trading bearish here, it has recovered, it has retraced, and now it is trying to drop again. I expect there is a possibility in net gas to move towards 4.2, 4.4, but not before it tries to retrace a little. Stochastic overbought, MACD right divergent and bullish, RSI top. So looking at this, I'll recommend you to buy if you see it now trading beyond 3.9. Three levels, expect 3.96 and 4 as the next target. Beyond 4 is stay bullish. Stay bullish for 4.1, 4.2, and in fact 4.4. Not today, but yes, soon. On the downside, sell at 3.88, which is very likely possible, and then you can expect 3.8485 first target zone, 3.8 the next, 3.76 the third, and if 3.76 is taken, then 3.7, 3.6 are the next targets. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great, profitable trading day ahead. Do not miss to watch every day the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you.